Alright, here we go. I know this looks delicious and it smells even better than it looks. So here we go. You've got 7 items, 7 ingredients that you'll need here. You can always come back to 10 seconds and pause it. First thing we're going to do is get our chicken ready. So you can marinate it however you like. We use minced garlic, lemon pepper, and olive oil, and we grill ours, but you can grill it, you could cook it in a pan fry it, or even boil it, just as long as you cube it up like you see Karen doing here. So that's our first hot ingredient you're going to pre-cook. Next is going to be the broccoli. And broccoli, simple. You cut it, you rinse it, you boil it, you drain it. You do it however you like. You really can't mess up broccoli. See that nice steamy steam there. Next, we got our mixtures. We have our cream of chicken soup mixed with our milk at the top and our butter and breadcrumbs. I like to say bread and butter because it is the breadcrumbs and the butter. We mix it up. First, we mix our 2 hot ingredients, our chicken and our broccoli, put them into a 9-inch pan like you see Karen doing here. Then you're going to top it with our soup mixture. And I can feel my arteries clogging already. We're going to add some more good stuff. Some cheese. You can put a little extra cheese if you love cheese, like I do. And then you top with your bread and butter, the breadcrumbs that's melted with the butter. And we only melted our butter in the microwave. Real easy. You can do it however you like. Then we're going to pop it in the oven here, bake it at 450 degrees for 20 minutes. You can go 22 minutes. Don't pay attention to our dirty oven at the bottom. The food is clean on the top. And there you go. Oh, let me tell you, I come home quick when I know she's cooking this meal. That is going to be delicious. Hey, thanks a lot, guys. It's been fun. Make sure to check in again for more quick and easy meals from K&D here. Thank you. Bon appetit.